You may not have heard of Magical Plus Soil Food by Jonathan Green, but my customers have. Why? Because it works. Hi, I'm Brett Mahoney from Mahoney's Garden Centers. My family's garden centers have been beautifying homes in New England for over 60 years. Did you know that you're wasting 20 to 70% of your lawn fertilizer when your soil pH isn't balanced? It's even worse when your soil is hard and compacted. Poor soil is the main reason for pale green, weedy lawns. Jonathan Green's Magical Plus is a unique soil food that corrects bad soil by adjusting soil pH, loosening hard soil, and feeding soil microbes. Magical Plus is also compatible with any lawn fertilizer and makes them green far better. It's simple. Better soil, better lawn. So feed your lawn and your soil with Magical Plus by Jonathan Green. Magical Plus is sold only at independent hardware stores and garden centers like Mahoney's.